Over LBC. I put over LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. How's your mom and them? We are one day away from the weekend. Tomorrow is Good Friday for those that celebrate. I still gotta work, so it is what it is. But yeah, we have Good Friday tomorrow, Easter Sunday. Good Friday being tomorrow means stock market is closed. So, however, crypto is still 24/7, and crypto can still be driven by news, headlines. So, we'll see. What's going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is, I almost forgot. It is April 2nd, 2026 at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a Thursday. Good evening, Johnny December. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening, All Set. How you doing? What's up, fam? What's going on? James Millman. I do appreciate each and every single one of you for joining me this evening. What are we gonna do tonight? We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play around with the charts, with indicators. We're going to have a chill night. I think most nights are chill nights, but we're gonna have a chill night. So let's just get over to the chart. Wow, what's going on, Alan? Uh-oh, what button did I push? Accident. Oh, my SSD came in, so you know what I'll be doing tomorrow or this weekend. I'll be doing that for sure. Probably tomorrow. I am too impatient. Would have done it tonight had I remembered that it came in last night. Whoopsies. What was I about to? Oh yeah. Hold please. Let's just do a quick look at the old Bitcoin. Am I on the right screen? Yes. All right, so Bitcoin currently sitting at $66,498. Has been moving to the downside. Let's go ahead and pull back. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, take a little look. See, all right. So we had the daily fair value gap that we tapped into and have since rejected. Let me turn off this indicator and this indicator. There we go. Breaking down out of, what is this green? What is this? Brush? Get rid of that brush. We don't need that brush. Anyways, broken down out of this upwards channel, getting a pullback, not even tapping support to turn it into resistance. Did not even, hold on, wait. That's low time frame range. Let's go over here. Oh, well, still did not even get to the 50% retracement and has since rolled over. We do have momentum moving to the downside, money flow moving to the downside, but generally just market structure is not good. We are still in a downtrend, both macro and locally. Still downtrending, creating lower highs and lower lows. So we'll see if it wants to break down. Now this is, of course, within a macro bear flag, the one that we've been watching for a minute now. Breaking down, back testing, pushing away, rejecting that anchored VWAP, anchored to the low. Who would have thought? Anchor gang, maybe the anchor gang probably would have thought. And yeah, so it's not looking good. You know, we were entertaining the rounding bottom last night all the way. I guess it was over here. We were over here and it broke down, came up, and then I'm sure if you were still awake, maybe you went long and lost. However, if you did happen to go long anywhere over in here, you should have been like, oh no, there's equal lows below me. I might need to take some profit. Just saying. Because they did get tooketh. And where we are right now, we've got some equal highs up here. We just took this low. So right now, this is the most recent sweep that it would need to get back above before it could even potentially move to the upside. Right now, we are in a downtrend. Money flow coming out. Momentum bottoming potentially. So we'll see. Looking like it's trying. I held for full short and took TP in the AM. Heck yeah. GG's in the chat for all set. How low can you go? Did we or did we not find some equal lows over here yesterday? I think we did. Right here and here. Nope. Oh. Equal lows. Good evening, gang. Good evening, Simeon. Thank you for joining us. Excuse me. So yeah, equal lows down here. We are currently dumping. It'll be interesting to see if we can come up, get some kind of shift in market structure, change in state of delivery, push to the upside, grab some liquidity. Whoops. Maybe not even get 50%, but then come down, take out the equal lows. Trying right now. We'll see. We shall see. So the fun that I was wanting to do is I was considering just trading off of momentum, off the momentum wave on the chart prime oscillator. Anytime it taps the overbought, goes short. Anytime it comes into overbought, short, down, down, overbought, short. Maybe you miss one. Maybe you miss multiple. Overbought, short, down, take out the low. That would have been a winner. Not too shabby. Now this would have got me. Short, stopped out. Short, stopped out. Short. Oh, that one played. 3 tops in a row while you're pushing to the upside. It's not a good sign. So, a little bit of consideration of degeneracy this evening. V-Monitor, what's going on, V-Mon? So we'll see. Please take a sec to smash the likes, fam. Thank you, all set. Do greatly appreciate you. That's a nice. That might be bullish engulfing. I'm going for it. Going for it. Come on, give it to me. All right, I'm in. Six, 6, 3, 6, 9. See, this is, I need to, wait, I can't see you. Here we go. Take equal lows. I love the wicks here. Pushing down. Clear. Shrinking of the candles. I always forget the candle names, but this is typically can be a reversal candle, especially if you get a bullish engulfing after it. So we'll see. We do have the equal highs up here as well. So from equal lows to equal highs, maybe could have put more on the trade, but that's okay. 66, 598. Bring it down just a tad. There we go. Bingo, bango. Trade Intuition raid. What's going on, T.I. Joe? What's going on, my brother? If you're not already subscribed to Trade Intuition, you need to be. Go subscribe to my friend. He's got some great stories. And TA. So check him out. David Gelfin in the house. Market maker, make it bounce. Let's go. Let's try. We're trying to get it. We've got Shep in the house. What's going on, Shep dog? Rest in peace, Chinchilla. LBC's mic lives on. What? It's here. The chinchilla mic is here. What do you mean? What do you mean? I feel like I'm gonna regret taking profit so early here. Can I do it partial? Oh wait, there's equal highs up here too. I don't really see anything below. We are getting a bounce also off of this demand zone. Now, if it crosses, I will take partial, of course. Yeah. Dips right into the demand zone, getting a push. Alrighty. Come on. Account is at 4902 with this trade. Haven't been doing too hot lately. It's okay. I'm still winning. Even though I'm down in the account, I'm still winning. I never lose. K-Dig. What's going on, K-Dig? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. So I could have made 5 times this much had I put the whole account in the trade. Where's partial? Partial, partial. Oh, snap. Okay, never mind. Alright then. Wait. Oh yeah, close position. Wait, why can't I do partial? Oh, lots to close. Okay. Go. Just go. Just go. Just go. What about these equal highs? Bazinga! Let's go. Let's go. What's going on, Kelly? How you doing? Take another partial. Why partial here? Fair value came into fair value gap. Mitigated that fair value gap. This isn't really a clean one. But we do have a nice little order block here. So see if we can get up to that. Pump, pump, pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up. Stop loss just above entry. Take care of these. Pump, pump, pump it up. Not only do we have equal highs, we also have a fair value gap. So this is definitely a resistance area. Les résistances. Vive la résistance. La, viva la résistance. This could be, well, could have been. I was going to say, this might be a nice little long entry here, but it didn't even tap it. Ah! Can't even, I haven't even been able to get to what I was going to get to. Alex, what do you think about that trade? You good, bro? He loves it. He absolutely loves it. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Why do you keep picking me up? Stop. Still watching the trade. Don't worry. Ah, there we go. What's up? What's up, Alex? How you doing, bro? Oh, tapped fair value gap. Should I put a little small contract on here? Let's see what it does. Where's the YouTube chat? You guys show up right here? Over there in the corner? Let's see. Yeah, there you go. That's cool. Heck yeah. Automatic. Just don't say naughty words. Okay, that's what I was looking for right there. Bullish engulfing. No. Lower. So this is nice. So we get a break of this high. Market structure shift. Not only that, we create fair value gap in that shift. I will go ahead and open up a little bit here. Another trade. Stop loss below the low of the first candle of the fair value gap. So on this one, I don't really like that though, because there's a body gap here. I feel like it's gonna come down here and take that. Oh, I just got entered. $66,522. Maybe just a little lower. $0.99. I think I can handle that. What's my RR? Can we add to the trade? Of course we can. It's not about can we. It's should we. Getting a close back below this low. It needs a reverse. Needs to reverse. I mean, it's a baby trade, so I'm down 7 cents. I did not want to put a lot on that one. Let's actually pull a fib on here. Can I pet that dog? Just below the golden pocket. I'll take it. I'll take it. Have we got retest right here? That's what it looks like. Trying. It's trying. Can we tweezer? Can we tweezer? No? Or bullish engulf? That's cool too. There we go. All right, pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Leaving behind equal lows. Just got to get through this block. Right there. Just got to get through that. Hey, Wave Cypher. What, LBC? Good luck on your eval. Appreciate you. This is the lowest I've ever been on the account. I'm not happy about it. I've sized up a little bit So it's kind of I don't know, just waiting for things to come my way. Repetition, repetition. Got to get more reps in. You know, you can play the setups all day, but your win rate is going to remain the same. And that means you will get times when you lose a few or more consecutive or within a short amount of trades. And then next thing you know, maybe you're on a hot streak. And this is why managing your risk is so important, because you can get on that hot streak and your winners hopefully would be bigger than your losers. Started to look good. I did point that out, and it did tap it, came down. Telling you, it wants to fill this space right here. If not now, later. Bada bing, bada boom. Buy limit. Wait, did I open up I did not. Wait. Oh, whoopsies. 66. Nope. Now I'll just put it down here. 66,458. Told you I'm just degening tonight. Ish. Degen-ish. Don't like it. It wanted it. It filled it. You can go back up now. Bounce off of this. That'd have been the snipe entry. But I'm already down in from down here, so. You rolling over, dog? Oh, don't get rid of that. Don't get rid of that. Oh, here's the original trade. Not doing so hot. A little bit of space on these candles, so maybe it's going to come down, tap that in reverse. Good thing we took partials. I kind of want to re-enter. Right here. Snipe it. Why? Right here. Right here. Because I told you we're going to have fun tonight. We're just degening. Degening the eval account. All right. So that means none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. We're just having fun tonight. Please do not take any of these trades. I mean, I think it's okay, but, you know. $886. Can we get a bounce? Nope. Should have joined me. What, in a short? Maybe it's the higher low. Oh, is this like a funded challenge or something? Yes. Yeah, it's prop firm eval. That's why it's all, well, that's not the only reason it's all white. I do kind of prefer the lighter backgrounds. I really only do the dark backgrounds for you guys, to be honest. Otherwise, I'd be on the white backgrounds all the time. But most people don't like the white background, which is fine. I can do either one. I do prefer trading on the light background though. It's just a little bit easier to see things for me. See the structure and all that. Man, you just had to go. Okay. All right, that one's done. Just got took out. That's fine. Is it going to be a sweep? Can we bullish engulf and go again? And keep that on there. Another sweep. SFP, that actually might not be that bad. Let's go over back to the trading view chart. All right, anyways, now that I've done all of this, see, I should have taken the profit at the equal highs. And that's okay. It's okay. We did take our partials. So we made something. So we've been I should say good evening, LBC OG Melissa One Love in the house. How's it going? Let's put this on top chat. My wife decided to paint the boys' room while the toddler was at his grandmother's this week. And yeah. He said he wanted a green room. So what happened to there it is. This was before. It's a boys' room. Before. It was actually way more messy. There's a lot missing from this picture. But this is before. And this is after. Actually, turned out better than I was thinking it would. It's actually pretty nice. I like that green. It's pretty cool. And our son loved it too. Oh, now that's a candle right there. Oh, I should have taken that long. Oh. Oh, we're degenning, right? No, not a limit. Who limits into the market? Oh, that's terrible. Just gonna leave behind that body there. Cute light switch. Helps him get it. The little moon. The crescent moon. Hey, I mean, what else would he have? Got some juicy highs up here. Trip top. Good old trip top. You like the trip tops? Still have the liquidity above. Stop loss. Stop loss. $285. Jeez. I'm not making anything on this trade. Bouncing the golden pocket. There you go. Golden pocket. Oh, of this range? Should have had it up. I think I do on the other chart. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice golden pocket bounce. Okay, it's hitting that area. Currently rejecting. We do have that gap between these candles here. Let's see if it wants to tag that and then reverse. Nasty wick though, off of the fair value gap as well. So we have confluence here between this sandwich and the fair value gap. Left the body gap. Drop the hammer. You're just ready to you just love shorting, I swear. You love betting against the market. I just want to take care of these equal highs, and then we can move lower. But this is also a golden pocket bounce. I mean, right off of the golden pocket, so. What's going on, Harpski? How you doing? How you doing? All set's been short all week. Probably not a bad idea. So what y'all think? Y'all like that clean canvas to bling it out now? Yeah, we've already got, it's already got some, want to borrow my paint sprayer? No, it's, we've already got some, he's got some dinosaur things up. So it's all like dinosaur theme and stuff. And we're going to get some, I think we're going to get some decals. I'll share some pictures with you guys later in Discord. Make sure you join the Discord. It is free. Maybe once I get memberships, we can do some bonus content or something. I don't know. I don't want to gatekeep info. I've always said that, and I'm going to stick to that. So I'm trying to think of different ideas that, you know, some other potential perks, I guess, for being an LBC member, channel member. So if you guys have any ideas, any suggestions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm asking Claude or Chat GPT. Just being real. I broke my printer printing hard and borrowing JRs. There you go. Push, push, push. Let's check out this indicator that I found before the stream. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, so it says sweep. What's this mean? Market structure shift. No, fractal low. Fractal low. I'm not sure what that means. Wick test. Nope. It's going to be a stop loss test. You know what? I probably should have flipped my bias. Lower highs, lower lows. It almost makes too much sense. Well, at least I'm not afraid to admit when I was wrongo. Maybe I'm on too low of a time frame. All right. Seriously though, what is happening right now is I am not following my own rules. And this is what it is like to not follow your rules. Sometimes we got to take losses in front of people, for one, to show that we are not perfect, but for two, and show the realities of trading, and for two, to show what it means to not follow your rules. Now, I don't know where I'm at. I think I'm $0 on the day. I don't know. Think I pretty much break even after these trades. This is going to be the one. It's going to rip. No. Most recent highs. No one's perfect. And I sure as heck am not. Bullish engulfing. No, we got one here and that didn't turn out. Get a break. That's the rule. We got to add one more rule. No, I'm not going to go over that. Not the drama. You're not fooling me anymore. Jay Rizzler, my mom says I'm perfect. Just kidding. She's never said that. That's a green dot on market cipher or not market cipher on the hourly. On the hourly? That's cool. What are these market caps? Wait, XRP's market cap is 80 billion, but it's below Solana at 40, that's 45 billion? What? What is it basing that off of? Doge is 13 and Hype is 9, but Hype is above Doge? BNB's at 79. What order does it have it in? Open interest? Market cap? Okay, now that looks right. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, BNB, Solana, Coin? Wait, is that tokenized Coinbase? Fake Coinbase. Why is it called fake Coinbase? Is this a meme? What is this? It's in the top 10? What? Market cap? Number 7, 33.37 billion. What is this? I'm still getting the hang of market cipher though. Yeah. Weird. All right. Market is neutral on RSI. Altcoin season index at 53. Oh, it's pushing it. Why did I come here? Legend, super charts. Super charts. Solana. Bitcoin. Okay, let's go. Oh, we're on a daily. That's good. All right, so let's see. Bid and ask delta on the daily. Wow. Big bids, but price moving down. Interesting. But not really moving down that much. Price getting absorbed. Cumulative volume delta, aka CVD. You see open interest dropping as price is dropping. That is longs closing, getting liquidated. Open interest has been climbing throughout this range. So that means we're building up something. Shorts or longs, probably a little bit of both. The question is, which one is dominating? Aggregated spot, cumulative volume delta. So this is your spot volume pushing to the downside. Not good. This is not what you want to see in a market that's being bought. You want to see that spot volume increase. And this is the delta as well. So you want to see the green candles because that means green delta. That means, and if you get that plus the bid increasing, open interest can be increasing or decreasing. If it's decreasing and price is moving to the upside, that means shorts are getting liquidated because on your open interest, if it's moving to the upside, that's the amount of perpetuals or futures, contracts, positions opening. So when it moves to the downside, that means positions are closing. Futures positions are closing, whether that's through take profit or forced liquidation. It's either, I mean, it's both. Both of them are happening at the same time. So, but that means participants are getting out of trades because they're either taking profit or getting liquidated. Excuse me. Abs are definitely greater than the Oilers. Yes, abs are still killing it. Let's go. You love to see it. So this would, I mean, so we see open interest moving to the upside. So we know that we're getting built up positions in here. What's the point of that? So that means big move either way. Question is which way? And right now it looks like this way. I mean, it's only what we've been saying for a while now that we expect lower. So would we be surprised at all? No. Question is, are you going to buy? Or are you going to wait to make sure you get some kind of sign of strength? Maybe a bullish divergence, which you are getting your open interest pushing up. However, if this were to push down like this, that means we're likely getting some longs liquidated and you get a push down in your open interest. But if we see a spike, a move up spike in our spot delta, then that means we could be seeing absorption buys here at the lows. Now I know that it's going to go all the way down here to 40K, 42K. Not yet. Not yet. But maybe down here, 56. The golden pocket, macro golden pocket is like 54 and change to 57 or 58 and change. So somewhere in there. Oh, goodness. Whew. Excuse me. Oh, dang. All right, so we got the break. That's good. I don't like these lows. Also, order flow is still currently bearish. How do we determine that? Well, first, boom, you bounce, reject an order block. Then you come down here, you push down, you move up, and you reject fair value gap and put in a new low. Now, really, you need to get above this high. So that's the last high in this sequence. Nailing that, the bottom of that golden pocket. This low is shite. Hey, volume is kind of low on this move down. Yes. Sweep. Those are some nice juicy lows build up in there. See if it'll take it out. Take them out. Don't like these lows. Don't care for these lows either. But yeah. Let's zoom out. How about that? That might help a little bit. Do have these equal lows down here still. So do we have a fib there? No. We do have the 786 down here. See if this 15 can, I don't know, I don't particularly care for it. This candle. This might roll over. This might continue to roll here. Unless it wants to come for equal highs. But it doesn't have to come for them now. They can definitely come for them later. We did get the shift. Push down, shift, break high. And if it can get continuation, we still got to get through that golden pocket at 67,912 to 68.28. So I'll definitely be watching to see if we reject that or not. And if we do, it's probably not going to be good. If you're a bull at this point in time. But 1, 2, you would need 3 to come up. Break those. But break this high. Pull back and continue. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's going to give it to us. X going to give it to you. Bye, Johnny. Bye, Johnny. Heading out. Much love. Mad love, homie. Yeah, this definitely looks like it's going to roll over. I could be wrong, of course, but I mean, it looks like it's going to roll over. I don't think I'm wrong about that. If it's going to, is the question. Let's just, let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Stop with the degeneracy for a second, okay? Popping off. Close above. Momentum wave pushing to the upside. A little bit of a steady bid here, but that could be a might be a little bit of a another fake out. So be careful. Should have just been shorting all the highs. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. But didn't. DJ and Dave, I just went long. Shout out to you, Grayson. 66,303. Dang, that's a nice entry there. Did you take profit at the high? Reversal signal. If this turns purple, I'm going short. I told you. I told you. I told you. Trying to get a bounce off of fair value gap. If we can get that, then we might be turning into bullish order flow. Still want to get above minimum this high. Now trading the strat. We've broken that in this move. So I would want to see a pullback and bounce off of at least the 50 before I even consider an entry. Are we leaving any body gaps since it likes to come back for those? Doesn't look like it. What? Boring. I even thought about putting it on the 15-second chart. Look, man. Just need to put it on minus. What is this one? This is minus 70. Need to put it on minus 100 or 115. Hold on. What's this low here? 92. Just draw a line. Anytime it crosses a line, take the short. Right down here. Oh, that wouldn't have been a good short. Wait for it to turn green after it hits the overbought. What? But wait a minute. Something's wrong. Money flows red. Is it really a good time? Starts coming up here. But then you get this push down. Look at that. And it gears up and it just goes without you. I mean, it didn't go without me. I was in this long. Literally 45 minutes ago. Oh, I'm so mad. What did I miss? I don't know that I really missed anything because I'm pretty sure I pointed out the fact that it came back within this range. At least I thought it. But coming back, didn't bounce off the high here. Instead came down into it. Came up, rejected that. I'm still on the 15-second. Jeez. Rejected order block. I mean, this should have been obvious. It's always obvious in hindsight, though. I wasn't quite expecting this, but should have known once the 1 minute closed back below these equal highs. Not good. Gotta figure something out. Oh, we also had session people. Guys, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. No, never give up. Never surrender. We got down reversal, which was on this candle. Down reversal is on this candle. Did it come early? That's a bearish signal. Came down. bear signal. Popped up first and then rolled over. Let's come up into here. Golden pocket. Here's the thing. Money flow. Currently pushing to the upside. So got to be careful. Look for rejection with some kind of reversal. Shift in market structure. Wait for a pullback. Typically go for liquidity and pull back. And then roll over. Either that or it'll take liquidity and it'll push higher. But I mean, you gotta make a decision which one you're gonna go with. And why? What's the context? What's the context? Context is we are still in a range. We have not broken out of this range. Everything within this range is fair game. Therefore, even though we've taken out this high, that does not mean we have shifted local structure. Major external swing structure. That's what you want to, those are the levels that matter. Your external highs and lows. External being, if this is a sequence, high, down, that counts because this was a higher high. This is just changing character. This might be, anyways, we're actually going to go low and then high and then this low. Now lower time frame, we are looking at taking this wave into consideration. But since we did go higher than that, that's going to be my high, my low, and then whatever my last low are, that's my range. That's the range we're playing. So we want to get above this high before we start to consider taking longs. But still in a downtrend, so still looking for, so we should have still been looking for shorts, to be honest. That's my bad. But hey, I didn't tell you to take a trade. And you shouldn't anyway. You shouldn't trade off of any streamer that is streaming, to be quite honest with you, because there is a delay, and especially those of us that like to scalp. Like 10 seconds is an eternity in trading. Particularly scalps. I use 30 second, the 3 minute, 15 minute. It's good. I like it. I tend to, the only reason I'm on the one, not the only reason, I do prefer the one, to be honest. The 3 is cool. 1, 3, 15. Particularly intraday, it's good. But really got to pay attention to all of them. Left behind equal highs. Yeah, really got to pay attention to all of them to get full context. The only thing above the 50 within the range is how you identify your premium and your discount. Anything below that 50 is going to be your discount. Anything above is going to be your premium. You want to sell at a premium and buy at a discount. We do have demand zone right here. We can see we've hit it once, twice, 3 times. Kind of built up a little bit more support here, pushing away. So we could be on our way to a continuation to the upside. But right now, I don't know that that is something that I would play. I'd like to see what it does here at this demand zone. If it comes down, bounce, get a bullish engulfing doji, whatever kind of bullish candle. Cool. This might, I would like this, man, just pop up here and reject. Come down, clear the low, look for a pullback and continuation. That's what I want to see. Because I want to take care of this low. It's a crap low. $10.06. Holy crap. Oh, getting into golden pocket. Of course. 6 minutes after my stream is when the moves always happen. Always all set. Always. 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 I can't never doubt you. Money flow is green now. Oh. Speak of the devil. True 7 pushing higher. Oh, that True 7 smacked down real quick. At the not golden pocket. I mean, golden pocket's right here, but at the session VWAP. See if we can get above, break the 786, close above the 786, pull back to VWAP. If it can close above the 786 and pull back to VWAP, I would consider a long if it gets like some kind of bullish reaction, maybe, and even some volume picking up would be nice. 'Cause right now it's heading down as price is moving up. Typically not a good sign. Speaking of which, is it going to bounce off of here? We did break these equal highs, created a fair value gap while doing it. Bullish retest and go. Let's see if we can get above that 786. Might go up and trap some longs, yeah. For sure. There's our downtrending resistance up here. So sweep the high, take the high, and then reject, come back into the range, and then look for retrace into golden pocket, not golden pocket, well, golden zone to 0.5 to the 786, but also a fair value gap and an order block, wherever the most confluence is, that's where we would want to take the short. So if I'm JR, I'm probably already got a short set up right here. And I'm probably doing something like this. Break that. downward trending resistance. Whoops. Look for a pullback to the high. Actually, this is what? This is 15-minute time frame level here. So it actually, I would need it to come up. Take this low, high, low. Got to break that high. Then I can look for a pullback and continuation. That's the bull scenario. Bear scenario, come up, sweep, equal highs, come back into this range. If this is high, low, this range. So we're always going from external to take out, to external to take out. Do we come up here automatically? No. But you're always going from one low to one high to another low. On the macro, we are rejecting. See if it can hold this level here. Hold those equal highs if you want to be bullish. But why be bullish when it's been bearish? There's also that fair value gap that was right here as well. Ooh, harsh rejection there on the on the session VWAP. This looks like it might reverse, guys. We did reject the 50, the midpoint of this order block. Dead on it. Does not look good right now. 10-12. Okay. I should probably get going. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday. So that means it's give a compliment day. I should have said, I should have been telling you guys, when you do this, when you do that, if you give a random stranger a compliment, you got to make sure it's genuine, it's authentic, or it's genuine. Don't just fake it. Mean it. If you see something, a shirt that you actually like, say something about it. Say, hey, I love your shirt. K-pop Demon Hunters? I love that. My son absolutely loves K-pop Demon Hunters. And honestly, I can listen to the music. We need the moon gods. Yeah, we do. All right, it got the bounce off of the level. We're back above the VWAP. Hey, there it is. There it is. The money flow is kind of flat. So, not a lot behind the move. Oh. That was a nice big push in volume there. 786 though. 786. You gotta be careful. So yeah, make sure you guys go out and touch some grass this weekend. I hope you have a good Friday. And for those that celebrate, and if you celebrate Good Friday, I hope you have an amazing Easter. Whether with family or alone, I hope it's a chill day. And yeah, I just hope you go out and touch some grass. And if you got kids, I know they're excited for egg hunts if y'all do that. And I know my kids are. Well, I know my toddler is. So yeah, Enjoy the time with the fam. If you're just hanging out in Discord, enjoy that time with your friends too. And yeah, outside of that, don't forget, like I said, tomorrow is Give a Stranger a Compliment Day. We try to do that every week. Doesn't even have to be a stranger. Do it with, please. If you got coworkers, please recognize your coworkers. They will appreciate it, and it'll be good for you too. So, and yeah, outside of that, guys, I don't really have anything else. Let's have a good weekend. I will see you all, of course, in the Discord, but here on the channel Sunday, because I go live every Sunday through Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on the Lunar Beaches Crypto channel. Oh, I looked it up, guys. I looked it up. It's do we my first video, all right, looking like it's wanting to move up. My first video on the channel was posted in June of 2021. So, June of 2020, I'll get the exact date. Actually, I can go ahead and do this. Should we go by it? I think we're just gonna consider that the LBC birthday, anniversary, whatever you want to call it. Videos, oldest, first LBC YT video, YouTube video is the title, and it's titled "Definitely Not Financial Advice." Oh, this is when I had this weird, I don't know why, but like my beard was white. Like it was the weirdest thing. I don't know if I was like dying at the time or what. Look at that. It's at our old house. What is going on here? What's going on here? It's weird. It was really weird. It's weird because it came and it went. I was like, oh God, I'm not that old. I mean, 5 years ago I was 33. So, oh, I forgot the whole point I was doing that for. Jesus. Let's see. June 27th. June 27th. Which is April, May, June, a Saturday. So we will have to do a special Saturday live stream. Also, I completely forgot, on 5:02 yesterday, 5:01 Tuesday, on Monday night, I hit my 500th video / live stream. So, 5 years, 500 videos, plus over 1,000 subscribers. What a grind. And who better to enjoy that with than you guys? So thank you. I appreciate you. Your love, your support, your kindness, your good vibes. And it will not go unnoticed or unrewarded. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful... Oh, wait. That was almost going to be a great segue, but Join the Discord. No. If you enjoyed the content, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. Join the free Discord. Link is in the description. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. I'm going to get out of here. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep and an even better weekend. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace.
Put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know